Howdy, folks. High Value DMD. Don't just give me your subscription, but please let me earn it. Let me earn your like and let me earn your comment. This is my 200 subscriber special. And I'm so glad that you're here to celebrate with me because I am going to be an oral and maxillofacial surgeon. I was accepted to residency, and I'm so glad to share that with you. For all of those people that have stuck with me since the very beginning of this channel, you watched me from the beginning of my third year of dental school and how you watched me grow up until this point of getting accepted into residency. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed, or if you're just now tuning into my channel for the first time, I encourage you to join me on this journey because on this channel, my goal is to chronicle my journey from the humble beginnings of a dental student all the way into residency and thereafter, and what becomes of that. I'm just a normal person. Let me emphasize that. I'm a normal guy. I come from a rural town in the Bible Belt. My parents aren't doctors. I don't have any uncles or aunts that are doctors. I'm the first person in my family to go about this type of career. Being a dentist is one thing, but stepping into being a surgeon, that's a whole different stratosphere. And I can't even begin to explain how the trajectory of my life is taking such a radical shift by getting accepted into this residency training. You know, oral surgeons, it's one of the most rigorous, let's just say it, it's the most rigorous dental residency out there. And some people say it's as complex or as difficult as hours worked as general surgery and neurosurgery. And it is such a blessing. I want to thank God. I want to thank my fiance. I want to thank my parents for being there for me throughout this journey. During dental school, I encountered many, many roadblocks along the way. If you don't know about what it's like to be a student trying to become an oral surgeon, a lot of the faculty and staff, a lot of the general dentists, typically they don't really like you that much. Maybe it's a tinge of jealousy, but they think all you care about is you want to be a surgeon. You don't care about the rest of dentistry. They think that you think you're better than them, that you're smarter than them. There's this weird dynamic going on. And not to say that there's not surgeons out there that are arrogant, that aren't arrogant, because there are, that give oral and maxillofacial surgery a bad name. But there's professors in dental school that just mess with you, they poke with you, they try to make your life that much harder to become an oral surgeon. And going through all of that, surviving through that, and coming out on the other side, it's a really special thing. It's a really special thing. And having the progress I've made, 200 subscribers, let me step back and reflect on that for a moment. When I started this channel, I didn't really know what was going to come of it. I thought, well, maybe I'll get a couple subscribers, who knows? But I stuck with it, and I was like, okay, I'm going to just keep uploading for years. And I've been uploading for, I think, 2 years now. In the 200 subscriber mark, that's big. And as I continue making videos, I'm assuming it's just going to snowball. And then before you know it, you and I are going to be sitting here talking about 500 subscribers. Maybe one day, 1,000 subscribers. And then 2, 3, 5,000 subscribers. And then maybe 10,000 subscribers. This channel for me, it's really for fun. This channel is never going to make the amount of income that my normal day job is going to make. But I hope to be of some value to others out there that are maybe exploring what's out there. Maybe they're reflecting on themselves. They're searching for what they want to do in life, or maybe they're searching for some inspiration. Well, I hope to be that inspiration. I hope to be those words of wisdom to you, especially if you're a young man out there searching to carve out a life for yourself. because I have done it. I have done it, and I'm doing it every single day. I am trying to always improve myself and to become a better version of myself, but not just for myself. Ultimately, this is for my future family that doesn't exist yet. And in years to come, I will look back on this video and see my younger self talking to my older self, and know that I accomplished the goal that I was going to set out on to do. For my celebration of oral surgery, and actually before I found out, I purchased this prematurely as a kind of a dental school graduation gift for myself. But, I thought it was fitting to maybe show you guys in my 200 subscriber special something I purchased. And I hope to get this in the camera to show you guys. These are a pair of Lucchese cowboy boots. And I have wanted some Lucchese's for a really, really long time. These are roper boots, and they're goat skin. And the color is a beautiful, beautiful color called black cherry. And what makes it a roper boot is a traditional cowboy boot has what's called a riding heel, which is a little taller. These are what's called a walking heel. And that's what makes it the roper style. I'm going to make sure I've got that in the camera. These things are so freaking gorgeous. I wear them into my clinic. And I wear them with scrubs, and they look absolutely sick. A lot of oral surgeons out there, or not a lot, but I mean a fair few, they wear cowboy boots. And I tell you, you wear something like this, man, this will make your confidence absolutely skyrocket in yourself, in the procedures that you do. I love these boots, and I'm so glad I bought these. In my last subscriber special, I shared with you all about some of the guns that I carry, or one of my guns I got from my high school graduation. Well, this is another milestone, and I think it's fitting to have purchased another milestone thing. And I'm going to have these boots forever. I mean, Lucchese, if you don't know about Lucchese, as it's properly pronounced, these were some of the first cowboy boots ever made. It was a gentleman that came out of Italy into Texas, and now the factory is in El Paso, Texas, the boot capital of the world. And that's where I'm currently living now, is in El Paso. Man, I just can't get over these boots. These are so beautiful, and it is fitting for a future surgeon to be wearing some nice footwear. Consider that. Hey, if you've accomplished something lately, or if there's something big coming up in your life that you're going to accomplish, or a graduation, consider getting yourself something. Consider getting you a pair of cowboy boots. And some of you guys may not be of the culture where you would wear a cowboy boot. I am from the South, and particularly I am from Texas, so it is fitting for me to wear such a pair of manly footwear. I saw a little something on my boots. But I tell you, you put something nice like that on, it'll make you feel like $1,000,000. So my 200 subscriber special, oral surgery acceptance announcement, and my Lucchese cowboy boots. What a ride it has been, and what a ride it is going to be. I will be chronicling my journey for years and years to come, and I hope that you will join me along the ride. And yeah, I hope I earned your subscription. I hope I earned your like, and I hope I earned your comment. Let me know what you think below. Are you in dental school? Are you in medical school? Are you just somebody that is interested in what I have to say? Let me know what you think below. And do you like the Lucchese cowboy boots? Do you wear cowboy boots? Are you interested in getting a pair of cowboy boots? I'm not sponsored by Lucchese. I would absolutely love to be sponsored. So if you see this and you are a representative of Lucchese, please email me. It's in my channel. So with that, I will leave you. Until next time.